Good morning, children. How are you? Open your book. Sparkle, page number 21. Lesson 4. Moina, the Viva girl. Moina is a girl who asks many questions with everybody. That's why she is called Viva girl. Okay. So before starting the lesson, again there is a new words. Tribals. Tribals means a class or a group of people living under one or more chiefs or having its own customs. Silent means not speaking. Flowering means a plant which has flowers. Gazing means feeding on a grass, leaves, etc. by goats and cattle. Stamp means bringing one's foot down heavenly on the ground. Admitted means allowed to enter. And destroyed means spoiled completely or killed. Learn all these new words, okay? This story is written by Mahashweta Devi, the Vaiva girl, and I stand for the writer Mahashweta Devi. So let's we start. I have been very close to the tribals in Odisha, Bihar, Gujarat and West Bengal. Amongst the Shabar tribes in Odisha, where lives a small girl named Moina. She was like all the children who always ask the question why. She would ask me, why cannot fish speak? Why do stars look so small if many of them are bigger than the sun? One night she asked me, why do you read books before you go to sleep? Because the books have the answers to your whys, I replied. And for the once, Moina was silent. So here the writer is very close to the tribes Odisha and Bihar, Gujarat and West Bengal, and among which the Shabar tribes in Odisha is very famous tribe, and where the one small girl lived whose name is Moina, and she always asks the question why fish cannot speak, and why the stars look so small if they are bigger than the sun. So such type of questions she asked many times. Okay, and one day she asked me, why do you read the books before you go to the sleep? And I replied, because the books have the answers to your whys. That's why I read the books before go to the sleep. And again, once again the Moina was silent. She cleaned the room, watered the flowering trees, and fed the fish to the mangoes. Then she came up to me and said, I will learn to read and find the answers to my questions. Every day after gazing the gods, she would tell all the children what she has learned from me. Many stars are bigger than the sun, but they are very far away, so they look small. The sun is nearer, so it looks bigger. The fish do not speak like us. They have a fish language which is silent. I have come back to my house in the city for some time, and I returned to village a year later. The first thing I heard was Moina's voice. Why is the school closed? She asked the school teacher Malti. What do you mean? Why? Asked Malti. Why should not I study too? Asked Moina. Who is stopping you? Moina asked to her class teacher that there is no class. Why? So her class teacher Malti replied, school is over for the day and I take the class from 9 to 11 a.m. in the morning. So here the Moina was very sad and she stamped her foot and said, why you cannot change the hours? I have to gaze the gods in the morning, so I can only come after 11 a.m. only. So how I can learn? I will tell all these things to that old lady. Who is old lady? Old lady is a writer, and she then show the writer and start feeding. When I went to the Moina's house in the evening, who went to the Moina's house? Writer. Went to the Moina's house in the evening and sitting close to the kitchen fire. And what she has seen there? Moina was telling to his brother and sisters, do not cut the trees. If you cutting the trees, then plant another two. Do you know that Moina was the first girl to be admitted to the village school. She is of 18 years now and teaches in the village school. The school children are learning to ask why. The question like, why should mosquito be destroyed? Why is the polar star always in the north? And many other such questions. So, do you know that the Moina is the first girl of her village who is admitted in a school, and she is now 18-year-old and she teaches in a village children's, and village children also learn that why should mosquitoes be destroyed and why is the polar star always in a north, and so many such questions. So whenever you do not understand something, always ask the question why. It is only when you ask the question that is you learn. If the people do not answer, then repeat the question and learn to read books and find out your answers yourself also, and do not depend on the others. So what is today's place? Today's place is I shall always ask question, and if I do not understand something, I shall always try to find out the answers by reading. Okay, bye bye. Moina completes many work their home. She cleaned the rooms, watered the flowering trees and fed the fish, and then come to the writer and said to her, I will learn to read and I find to answers to my questions. After every day after gazing to gods, she comes to the writer and then learn many things, and then she teaches to the other children's what she has learned from me, like many stars are bigger than the suns and they are far away from us. That's why they looks small, and the sun is nearer, so it's look bigger. And the fishes do not speak like us. That's why, because the fish has their own language, and that is the silent. When the writer go back to their home in the city for some time, and when she returned to the village a year later, then she hear the voice of the Moina. She was asking the question to her class teacher Malti, that why is the school closed? So Malti said, what do you mean? Why? So here again Moina asked the question to Malti that why should not I study too? Again the Malti replied, who is stopping you to study? But there is no class. School is over for the day. Malti said. Why? Asked Moina. Because Moina, I take the class from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning, said Malti. Moina stamped her foot and said, why cannot you change the hours? I have to gaze the gods in the morning and I can come only after 11 a.m. If you do not teach me, how will I learn? I will tell the old lady who was me. Then she saw me and fled. I went to Moina's house in the evening, sitting close to kitchen fire. Moina was telling her little sisters and brothers, you cut a tree now and plant another too.